Good morning from Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. We're here today for the entire day. Have some fast passes for Everest, Dinosaur. I think the other one is for Flights of Passage, so we're here to check all that out. Having an awesome time. We're going to do the safari as well and maybe see some animals. So here we go. So when you walk into the park, you kind of come to this oasis area. In fact, I think it's called the Oasis. Have some animals out here, birds in this area here, kind of pretty. The big bird. Beautiful day at Animal Kingdom. Tree of Life off there in the distance. Really nice. All right, we're crossing over into Africa. Have a look over here. The water, you can see Everest off in the distance over there. We're headed over there a little bit later. First, we're going to check on the weights of the safari, and actually over on this side, kind of just over there, is the Festival of the Lion King show, which is always a good show. All right, so we're headed a little farther back into Africa, and right over here is Kilimanjaro Safaris, and it looks like it is a 65-minute wait, so that's kind of high. Might have to come back and check this one out later, see if we maybe can't get a fast pass for later as well. Here we have a herd of strollers in their natural habitat. And right here we're heading into the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. So it's hard to see, but there's actually a baby right there, kind of being held by the mother.
Close to something, it makes it easier to fly. Think about an airplane landing. When it comes down, it can turn off its engines and it can glide right down and land. So when they're flying close to you, that is called drafting. They are not trying to chase you away. They're not trying to be mean or anything. They're actually using you as their advantage.
Look at that big hunk of mud.
Stay over here, please.
Real pretty back in here, in the aviary. It's not very common to have all these meerkats out at the same time.
They haven't learned to wait, but they've learned to show off.
Alright, we're about to head on to Kilimanjaro Safaris.
Which means let's go. Well, Caravan and Kilimanjaro Safaris, guys, my name is Travis, and I am going to be your gang driver for your safari through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Now, a few rules as we get started here. Well, number one, I need everyone to remain seated at all times with their arms, legs, hands, feet inside the vehicle, as we will be going through some rough brush and some rough roads. Yes. Now, hippopotamus can weigh as much as 5,000 pounds. And they don't lay up on the riverbank during the day very often. That's because their skin is very easily sunburned. However, they notice they're a little pink. That's not from the sunburn. That's because they excrete an oily substance, or like you sweat, that covers their skin and helps protect it from the sun. 500,000 wildebeest migrate across the African veldt each year. They're also known as new. That's the sound they make. That was awful. Forget it, didn't it? Springboks can jump 6 feet straight up in the air.
Alright, so I just rode on Kilimanjaro Safaris. It's a neat ride. It's a long ride, a little too long for me, but we did have a really good tour guide, so that was good. Now we are headed to our fast pass for Expedition Everest. And you can kind of hear in the background, these monkeys are kind of going crazy. See them up there. Yeah, up here. Alright, there's Everest. That's where we're headed now. Alright, here we go. Get ready for our Yeti expedition. Always love Expedition Everest. That is an incredible ride. I don't know what it is about me. Apparently when I ride roller coasters, I get so excited I just end up forgetting to record the ending. So anyway, Everest, one of my absolute favorite roller coasters in Disney. Love the fact that as you're going up that hill, you can sort of look all around and see all the different parks. You can see the Magic Kingdom. If you turn your head all the way around, you can see Epcot. You can see all the hotels. Especially the Coronado Springs Hotel that they're now building that big tower at. So very neat stuff. And we are now headed over to Dinosaur, one of my favorites.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and
This is Secret. Listen up. We got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out with an asteroid hit. Let's roll.
All right, so obviously didn't record a whole heck of a lot on Dinosaur. Once you get in there, it's really dark, but Dinosaur is an incredible ride. You basically get buckled in, and then you go back in time in your Land Rover, which is kind of like a Jeep, and you kind of go off-roading and go through and see some of the dinosaurs, some of the carnivores, as well as some of the herbivores, and in the end, you almost get attacked by a Carnotaurus. Really awesome ride, one of my favorites. Had a great time on it and definitely recommend it to everybody. And that was our day at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We had an awesome time, got to see some really neat animals, also got to enjoy all the thrill rides. It was an awesome day. If you liked this and you want to keep updated on all of our weekly updates from down in Disney, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Let me know down in the comments what you like, what you'd like to see in these videos, because I'm always looking to improve and add some new content. So definitely want to get that done. With that being said, it's an expedition out there, so never land. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Expedition Neverland. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the great Disney and Universal content.
Hear us, they can smell us. They haven't learned to wave, but they've learned to show off.